can have the most common tastes with your partner. If these things don't work, that's where you will have trouble.
You know, it's interesting because...
Follow me?
Not only do I follow you, I'm already in my head being like, that needs to be clipped and every human being needs to watch that clip because what the fuck? No. Like, it's so real when you're talking about how in relationships, like one is more afraid of being abandoned and one is more afraid of losing the sense of self. Like, if everyone just pauses, I know who I am in the relationship with my husband in that dynamic. And like, I'm sure everyone
are you the same with him as you were with others? Because it's not static.
No. Yeah.
It changes from relationship to relationship. It's not like I'm always in that position because my attachment style is always the same. It changes.
You need to go through some friction because you need to see how you two argue. And I'm not saying arguing is healthy, but like, at some point, human beings cannot just go through life and just have no issues. That's just not how life goes. So it's like the beginning of relationships. It is sometimes important to see if you are almost compatible in the way that you handle conflict. And I think a lot of people can be like, oh, we're getting married. We haven't had one issue. Do you think it's concerning if people have never had one problem and already like, we're getting married. We've never fought a day in our life?
Oh, it's just a matter of time. At some point, they will. They will. But here's the thing. The research is very clear on this, Alex. It's really not so much the conflict itself as the repair. There are couples that are way more volatile. They bicker more, they argue more, it's faster, it escalates. It's really, can they make up? And how do they make up? And do they make up just by kind of smoothing it over? Or they make up and they actually are able to acknowledge what they contributed to the argument? And the repair is more important than the actual conflict.
And when you get to repair, how important is compatibility then in communication styles?
No. What matters the most is not compatibility in communication styles, but accountability. It's the ability to say, I was threatened and I just lashed out on you. I just said things that I wish I didn't say, but when I'm scared or when I fight, I sometimes don't know where to stop. I take full responsibility for this. I realize that when I said that, I was not paying attention to what you had said before, to your needs, to what you had asked from me, to how I let you down. It's the ability to take responsibility without shame.
And do you suggest, or again, does it not matter, should repair happen in the moment or can you wait?
Great question. So some people can do it in the moment. Other people need 20 minutes, 2 hours, or 2 days. So if you are with someone who needs 2 days, don't start talking in the moment.